I connect this previous power here, and it's not working. Water is also filled, but still it's not working. No power is coming.